morning. We have a dentist appointment this morning. I got Cheerful with me. That's your dwarf name.
Okay.
You're the 8th dwarf. Cheerful. It's so hot out. It's so humid out that the water is literally in the air. And let me show you the windshield. That's wet. It's wet. It's not raining. It's just the humidity hanging in the air, and there's just this haze everywhere. I didn't wear my Junkin hat today because we're not going Junkin. I got the kidlet with me. I gotta go to see my dad afterwards. So it's another day of running around. We're gonna turn the air on though, because darn, it's humid.
I'm fine with it.
Okay. Is that all you're gonna say to the folks on YouTube?
Hello.
We're gonna get to the dentist. She's complaining because we have an early dentist appointment. I gotta share this little nugget with ya. She was with me when we made this appointment 6 months ago. And she thought it was gonna get her out of school. That's why she wanted the 9 o'clock dentist appointment. She doesn't remember that. She just remember now she's just complaining that she had to wake up. And why don't we make it for later in the day? No problem. The next one will be for after school's out.
No.
Yep, you'll leave school and go right to a dentist appointment.
That's horrible.
Because that's what you want.
No, that's not what I want. It's not. This is not what I want in a summer break.
You're going back to school next week.
Next.
Yeah, you got your first orientation day next week. So, you just get prepped.
Then I go to school after Labor Day.
Yeah, but you're going to get prepped. See, we're getting you ready. Dentist, doctor, shots, all the good stuff.
No.
Yeah. Oh, got your shots. Yay! We're all healthy. Got our masks. We're back to school already. Woohoo!
Yay.
We're at the dentist. We're going to wait a few minutes before we go in. We're a little early. Want me to yodel for you again?
No.
I'm everyone. When we sing? Death metal? Turkey calls?
No.
Okay, I dropped the kid off with my dad. There's a garage sale down the road from him, and then he needs groceries. So, because of the COVID thing, we don't let him out. I take care of his groceries for him so that he doesn't get sick. But I'm going to hit the garage sale down the road first. And then I'm going to go grocery shopping for Papa, which I kind of figured would happen today because he tells me not to shop for him and then he'll spring it on me. It's like, I don't need any more groceries, because I'll buy like a month's worth of groceries for him for his freezer and stuff. And then he'll be like, are you ever going to come with groceries? Yeah, you told me not to buy until you told me, and then you didn't tell me. Okay, where's this sale, people? Was pointing this direction. How far down does this road go? I don't think I've ever been down this far on my dad's road. Oh, I don't have a stop sign. There's no one behind me. I'm just stopping randomly. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Free box. Was that the sale then? It closed up. Oh, I see it. Interesting. Okay. There's a lot of geriatric stuff there. I'll bring my mask. Okay, well, I got two things. Spent $3. got a full-size vintage quilt with the florals on it, the percale. I do pretty good with sheets. It's just the top sheet and the pillowcases. And then I got this, which is a great vintage bowl. I'm gonna look up the pattern. I don't know the pattern. She had $2 on it, but I took a chance at $2. The sheet was $1, so I'm gonna make more than that on the sheet, so that'll be fine. I absolutely don't know where I am right now. I could have turned around and gone back the other direction, run to safety, but I don't know where I am right now. That usually bothers Victoria, and I did that today after we left the dentist. And she goes, remember when I used to get upset about that? I'm like, yeah, I do. And she goes, you're never lost. I'm like, I'm never lost. I will eventually run into something I know. This is my state. I still don't know where I am. What is this? Oh! I went to college here. I know where I am. See? I'm gonna run into something I know. I know where I am. See? Never lost. Never lost. I'm exploring. Now I know where that road goes. See? Wake up, Blanche, let's go. Okay, at this point, when I'm out picking, let's transition into some other topic. At this point, when I'm out picking, I'm exclusively looking for Etsy stuff because, you know, I'm still selling more online and I am full of stuff I can put in at Picket. So I do not want to acquire anything for the booth at this point, unless it's like cherry. You know what I mean? It's got to be good stuff. I might be looking for like a small cabinet, long, tall cabinet, because I've got one in the shop right now that I know is going to sell, and I want it to sell. I mean, if I found another piece like that, I'd take it home, but I'm not looking for anything else, like chairs, or I got plenty of chairs, I got plenty of tables. I'm not moving any of those anyway. So I think I sold a table last month, and I'm like, I had to clearance that down to like nothing to get rid of it. So not looking for any booth stuff, just smalls for Etsy, things that I think will sell on Etsy. They had this really great mid-century milk glass that had the atomic pattern on it, but she had scrubbed it so bad that the pattern was like, oh. But it was this awesome milk glass bowl. I tempted to buy it and then like use some acetone on it and get the rest of the pattern off. I've done that before, depending on how unique the piece is. Sad that she scrubbed it so hard, because that black and gold atomic, like the Harlequin triangles with the atomic pattern in the middle, that would have made me some money. But got a little heavy-handed with the Brillo pad.
Yes, sir.
Going caveman on the globe.
You know what that is?
No.
It's supposed to slide, those pins are supposed to slide out. They were kind of
Jacked up.
jacked in there, yeah. I'd like to do that. That'd be a nice globe, wouldn't it?
It would be a really nice glove. While I was at Dad's, I did an online workshop using his computer because I kind of ran out of time. I forgot about it a little bit. And then I sent the two hooligans for lunch. Dad said, we should just get Chinese takeout. And I'm like, you two go do that. I'm sitting and doing nothing for a little bit. It's awesome. We exhausted Dad and he loaded my car. So we're gonna go home and I'm gonna do nothing for the rest of the day, because I know this weekend is all about physical labor. And I hurt myself. Look at the bruise. Ow, ow, ow. I love doesn't. He looks worse in person. But we're going home. And then I'm going to sit around and do nothing the whole day.
And
I
you
probably won't. I'll probably Etsy or something.
You probably won't see me again today. You can't even see my mouth.